Saving money is fundamental to achieving financial security. It enables individuals to prepare for unexpected events and emergencies. Saving facilitates the gradual accumulation of wealth over time. Effective saving strategies are crucial for long-term financial well-being. Saving is the act of setting aside a portion of one's current income. This allocation is intended for future use rather than immediate spending. Saving builds a financial reserve to handle unforeseen expenses. It also enables the pursuit of long-term financial goals. Effective saving involves prioritizing future financial security. Saving is a key component of sound personal financial management. Saving money provides a buffer against unforeseen financial emergencies. Individuals with savings are better prepared to manage unexpected expenses. Savings can help cover costs associated with sudden bills or financial shocks. Without savings, handling unexpected bills can lead to financial instability. Lack of savings may result in difficulty covering costs, increasing financial vulnerability. Various savings methods are available to consumers. Traditional bank savings accounts are a common option. Fixed deposits offer guaranteed returns over a specified period. Modern digital wallets provide convenient and accessible savings solutions. Different saving methods offer distinct advantages and risks. Choosing the right savings approach depends on individual financial goals. Risk tolerance is a key factor in selecting a suitable savings method. Accessibility needs should also be considered when choosing a savings plan. Careful evaluation ensures the chosen method aligns with personal circumstances. A well-matched savings approach supports effective financial planning. An emergency fund is a financial safety net designed to cover unexpected expenses. It is a dedicated pool of money specifically reserved for crises. Qualifying unexpected expenses include medical bills and car repairs. Emergency funds can also be used to mitigate the impact of job loss. Having an emergency fund provides financial security during difficult times. It helps prevent reliance on debt when unexpected costs arise. An emergency fund is crucial for financial stability during unexpected events. The recommended target for an emergency fund is 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. This range ensures sufficient coverage during periods of financial uncertainty. Essential living expenses include housing, food, utilities, and transportation. Building an emergency fund involves systematically setting aside a portion of income. This process continues until a predetermined target amount is accumulated. The primary goal is to provide peace of mind by establishing a financial safety net. An emergency fund enhances financial resilience, enabling one to handle unexpected expenses. Consistent saving, regardless of the amount, is fundamental for building wealth over time. Small, regular savings create a foundation for future investment opportunities. These investments can then generate returns, further accelerating wealth accumulation. Ultimately, this disciplined approach can lead to greater financial independence and security. Saving money, regardless of the amount, is essential for financial security. Consistent saving creates opportunities for future investments and growth. Saving establishes a foundation for long-term wealth creation. Starting early maximizes the benefits of compounding interest. Savings can provide a safety net for unexpected expenses. Saving empowers individuals to achieve financial goals and independence.